Alrighty. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Believe it or not, I have actually never touched this game before. So, should be a pretty exciting experience, you know. Very interesting. I did make a character last night, but I was honestly so tired. I didn't get very far. I literally made the character, got to the farm, and that was about it. So, should be interesting. Hoping it's... There we go. That other one I played for like an hour and then never did anything with it. But, for anyone joining, I hope you guys are having a good night. Or morning, depending on where you are. Alright, let's jump into this. Oh, whoops. What did I do? Oh, this is like the menu, okay. Cool, nifty. Got a present. Wow, shit. Oh, okay, maybe don't use the axe. Ooh, parsnip seeds. A little something to get started. Okay. Oh, I can turn that on and off? That's so cool. Probably should. Oh, fortune teller living off the land. Well, this is my first day, so... Welcome to Living Off the Land. We're back again with another tip for y'all. Now listen up. This one's for all the greenhorns out there. Chop wood and search for wild forage to earn some cash while waiting for your first harvest. That makes sense, because... Oh god, where am I even gonna plant anything? Is that a lizard? Lizard... Oh, he's gone. Okay. Can I... Chop? Chop? Ah! Okay, this time. There we go. Got it. Ah! Oh my gosh. This'll spruce up the area, and then I'm assuming the pickaxe. Yep, okay. Cool. Oh, I just realized I need to watch my energy bar. Well, I will just kind of get this little area going. Can I use the scythe for this? That makes sense. Oh, I should probably be using that for those two. Whoops. Ah, there we go. There we go. Aha. Take that, weeds. Bonk. Double bonk. I think that's a decent size area right here. For now, at least. I don't want to chop down that baby. Oh, can I move it? I can't move it. Wait, can I shake? It's not gonna be like Animal Crossing and like fucking bees fall out, is it? Okay. I just watered nothing. I like that I said I was gonna stop in that little area, but I kind of just... I got that dog in me. That dog has ADHD, apparently. Allegedly. Oh, I should probably put that... Wait. Oh, do I have to, like, unlock this? That makes sense. Okay. Huh. Single? Single? Interesting. Oh shit, that's the map. You know, this weirdly enough reminds me, especially with the map, it reminds me of like Pallet Town. Is it a hole? Ah, I'll fix that eventually. Okay. So, I do have a hoe. I knew it. Okay. So I have 15, right? It takes 4 days. Okay. So, I think right here, there. Oops. Okay, I guess we're going all the way up. Oh, fuck. Let me... Nope. Okay. Ah. Okay, it's fine. Oh, it's a little jagged. It's fine. Let me just write the errors of my ways. Don't mind me fumbling through this. And then I think that's it, right? Hmm. Okay. What? And then I plant, 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 mist, plant, 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 plant. Oh, well, wow. That was exact. Okay, cool. I do have this mixed one. I could probably pop this in. Somewhere, like, right? You know what? No. Hold on, wait. Perfect. Okay. In you go. And then... water you. Whoops. Water you again. Oh, okay, fuck. Oh. Okay. This is fine. It just doesn't want to agree with me a little bit. I think I just have to get used to the... what's it called? The direction. Ah, shit. Okay. Only I could make watering plants so difficult. Let's see. I can throw clay. Where did I get clay from? Put that in there. But actually, should I hold on to this? There's so much around here. I don't think I need to. Okay. So, if I were to... Cool. Okay. And then I guess I'll just wait 3 to 5 days? 3 to 4 days? Also, I'm going to turn the volume up. That way, you guys can hear the really pretty music that's in here. Cool. Okay, awesome. Well then, back to it. I need to go put this bowl down, actually. Let me clamber in. Clamber on in. I will put you... What? Okay, that works. Wow, okay. I just noticed this. If you want to become a farmer, you have to start with the basics. Use your hoe to till the soil, then use a seed packet. I've already done this. Water every day until the crop is ready for harvest. Okay. It would be a nice gesture to introduce yourself around the town. Some people might be anxious to meet the new farmer. 2 out of 8 people. Okay. I mean, 28. Fuck. Dyslexic. It's fine. Okay. Well, I guess I'll go meet new people. Why not? Could be joyous. Bus stop, Pelican Town. Oh, I almost read that as Pallet Town, I swear. That's crazy. This place is definitely haunted. It's locked. Makes sense. The shovel. What is this? Are we sure there's people in this town? I haven't seen anyone yet. Oh. Is this someone's house? Got a telescope. Oh. That's a shop, I think. I will investigate that later. I think this is gonna lead me... There's a road right there. What the fuck? Are we sure there's people here? This place looks abandoned so far. This is crazy. What is that? It's like something behind the... Oh, what? What? Lucy, wait for my return on the dawn of the 3rd year? Grandpa! What? But he died... What? Okay, someone needs to tell me if Grandpa was a lich right now. Legally, I have to know. Is he gonna come back and am I gonna have to fight him? Is he gonna be like a boss? Is there fighting in this game? Probably not. Well, actually, maybe. I don't know. There was a similar game I played that was like this. It was called... I'm blanking on the name. It was called Gleaner Heights or something, and it was like Stardew, but it had more... like, there was a dungeon, kind of, you could go into for the mines, and you'd have to fight. I think there was some horror aspects or something, I don't remember. I didn't get that far. There's lily pads. That's so cute. Ah, I didn't mean to destroy you. You know, where... Oh, wait. I'm in the same thing as my... Ah! Is my farm? My farm? Ah, son of a... There's a wood. Bonk. Oh! Wait, that's connected? Oh, okay. Huh. Okay. That's fine. I'm gonna throw you. Oh, no, not you. And you. I got 4 seeds. That's 4 things. I can hoe around. I like that. Oh, wait, shit, I'm dyslexic. There we go. And then... Aha! And double ha. Hee-hee. Aha! Woohoo! Okay. I need to pay attention to my energy. Holy crap. Okay, I'll go meet these imaginary people, because this town is abandoned. It's 7:30 p.m. I don't think anyone's gonna be... Oh, there's a hospital. Whoops. Ah! 0. Oh, their birthdays. Bookseller. Egg Festival. Haley's birthday. Pam. Shane. Bookseller. Flower dance. Ooh. Pierre. Emily. Cool. You know what? I just realized. I played a game like this called Harvest Moon? Yeah, I think it was Harvest Moon. I played it on the DS. And... yeah. I played it on the DS, and... what's it called? What was I saying? Oh, okay. So, excuse me. I played it on the DS, and I remember it asked you for, like, your birthday. It was like, oh, when's your birthday? And you could put, like, oh, spring, summer, winter. Oh, that's the bus. Why is the bus here? Can it take me somewhere? Oh, the bus is dead. But, yeah, so it was like, when it was your birthday in the game, people could, it would bring you stuff. It was pretty cool. Well... I don't like that it's so quiet in here. It's very eerie. Let's see, does this tell the weather for tomorrow or today? Welcome to Kozu 5, your #1 source for weather, news, and entertainment. And now, the weather forecast for tomorrow. It's going to be clear and sunny all day. Cool. What about fortune teller? Ah, I sense that a new viewer has joined us. A young lady from Stardew Valley? Welcome, welcome. The spirits are very happy today. They will do their best to shower everyone with good fortune. Cool, good showers, good fortune. That's what I need. Sleepy? Yes, I'm very sleepy. Other? What is other? What? Oh, from the clay and the stone and the fiber and the wood. Cool. Not too... Oh, that's cute. Is that my house? I love that. Cool. I get a little... like a little tally of... or a summary of how my day. Let's see... Whoa. Oh, I did not mean to go to... I don't want to go to sleep again. I'm assuming... Oh, okay, I was right. Oh, he's like an old sailor captain. You're gonna be my new best friend, I can already tell. Unless he hates me already. Ahoy there, miss. Heard there was a newcomer in this town. Good to finally meet ya. Ah, I'm still trying to unwind from a month out in the salty seas. It was a big haul. I sold a lot of good fish. Finally saved enough to buy me a new rod. Here, I want you to have my old fishing rod. It's important to me that art of fishing stays alive. And hey, maybe you'll buy something from the shop once in a while. Oh, cool. Hell yeah, thank you. I was expecting the Zelda sound effect. I'm gonna be so real. You received a bamboo pole. Bamboo's very resilient and flexible. Oh, why does he look sad? There's good water here in the valley. All kinds of fish. Oh yeah, my shop's back open now, so come by if you need supplies. Also buy anything you catch. If it smells, it sells. That's what my old poppy used to say to anyway. I like him. Alright. Let's... Let's see. I wonder how... Oh, whoops. I wonder how the fishing's gonna work. You know, there's so many games I play that have fishing mechanics, and they're all different. So trying to learn a new one is always super... Ah, shoot. I'm guessing that was too early. Some of them it's like as soon as you feel the rumble, some of it's like on the second rumble, or when it latches, you know, whenever. So don't do it. Ah, darn it. Okay. This time. Ooh, I got it max. Let's see. Okay. Okay, next time it shows an exclamation point. I hit it! Oh! Oh, I gotta keep the fishy. Ah, don't do me like that! Ah! No! Wait! Stop! Please, 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 pretty please. Pretty please, I'm asking. Oh my god. I got a sardine. 1 inch. Oh, it's pretty big. Nice. Pretty, haha. Max. Max again. Well, now I understand it now. I gotta lock in. Ah! Lock! Lock again! Lock it in! Lock. Ooh, perfect. What is this? Herring. I had to cut down a tree in a forest with one of those once. It was annoying. That's a very niche... Oh, shit. That's a very niche reference, if anyone gets it. I love you, if you do. Oh my god. I love Monty Python. Ooh! Sardine, new record. 5 inches! Wow. That's pretty big. Pretty big, if I do say so. Yep. Ah, no! Seaweed! Nice. I can eat it! How do I... Eat? Yes. Yum. Cool! That gives me energy. Nice. You know what? I may as well fill up my inventory with fish. Why not? While I do that, I'm gonna sip on some tea. This one's really good because it's like a, It is... Ah, my god. Ah! Stop. Please! Pretty, please? Please, please, I'm begging. I'm begging right now. Oh my god. Don't. Come on. Ah, thank god. Anyways, the tea that I'm drinking right now, it's very interesting because it's like wildflowers, but it's got like roses in it. I forget the name of it. I think it's literally just called like wildflower tea. Well, this is gonna be the rest of the stream. I say that jokingly, but I'm probably... Oh. No. No. Hey, stop that. Stop it. Stop. Okay. Good fish. Good fishy. No. Just stay. Stay. Please? Pretty please? Oh my god. No. Ah. Ooh. Okay. Another sardine. Alright. Ah, no wait, no. I want to get it max. No! Max. Let's go. Oh, wait. Oh, that's right, because one of them is a seaweed. I was like, I just need to catch one more. But I need to catch 2 more. Well, after this, it'll be 1 more. Because I'm so confident in my abilities. Haha! What is that? Oh, it's a flounder. Ah. Shoot. No! Come on, I can get it. Come on, I'm better than this. No! It was like barely there. Oh. I probably shouldn't be wasting my energy like this. Okay, that's fine. That was the last one, I promise. I promise. No! Seaweed again! I mean, get my energy back. Yum. Alright. No! It was like barely. I wonder how much these fishes are. Ooh! Oh, I can eat them just like that? I can't... I can probably cook them at some point. Maybe. Probably. Perfect! 3... Oh, they stack if it's the same fish. Okay. That makes sense. I almost got it. It's fine. Whoa, that was fast. Ah, hee. Ooh. Treasure chest, what? Ah! No, please. Please, I want the treasure chest. I want it. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got it! I got it! I got it! Nothing else matters. I'm lying. I want the fish. Herring. Ooh, mixed seeds, geode, and iron ore. Okay. I guess... Well, what if I eat... Ah, okay. Well, obviously don't get rid of the ones with the star. I'm assuming... God, I need to unlock this bottom area. I guess I'll put you in here. That breaks my heart a little. I do want that iron ore. I can... Well... Take the iron ore. Wait, do I even have a chest to put any of this? Nah, it's fine. Okay. Alrighty, Willy. Let me in. I got fish to sell. If it smells, it sells. Like you said. Sardine, herring, ooh, the flounder was 100. Nice. Trout soup, fish smoker, hardwood, sea jelly, river jelly, cave jelly. Huh. Can only catch basic fish. Okay, well, ooh, fish tank. Furniture. Fisher double. Ooh, I kind of want that bed. That looks really cute. It's very quirky. Oh, you can buy your stuff back in case you need it. Nice. I wonder if I'll find another cockle. Clam. It's a lot of clams, but I don't see any cockles. No cockles. Worms. I mean, that's fine. Maybe I'll find another cockle another day. Anyways, let's go fishing. Yeep. Yeah. There's a chewy little guy in there. Ew. That's a... Ah, seaweed. Actually, that works out. These clams remind me of me. I'm a chewy little guy. Kidding. I didn't say that. You didn't hear that. It's tea time anyways. I'm gonna take a sip. Bah. Haha. Hee hee. Ah. Whoa. Easy there, friend. Easy. 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 I said take it easy. Please. I love that I stress over the most chill thing ever. Oh, shit. Try it again. Yeah. What time does he close? Because it is 3. I'm like, oh, it's not moving. It like flinched. Me, I need to press it and make it go all the way up. Ah. Nice. Sardine. You know, I used to go fishing a lot in real life, actually. I haven't gone in forever, but, you know, part of me kind of misses it. It was very peaceful. Sitting on the boat, watching the waves go by. And you kind of feel weirdly connected in a way, because think about it. You're fishing in that moment, in the same waves people have fished in thousands of years ago. You know, it's weirdly peaceful, and it's nice. You don't feel the stress of everyday life, you're just vibing, trying to catch a fish, and then you catch one, and you feel this sense of accomplishment when you get it. And then you can let it go. Or you can take it home and, you know, eat it, but whichever you want or prefer. But for that moment, it's like, you just kind of feel in tune with nature. What is that? Trash! What was I talking about? I know I was talking about fishing, but I forgot my point. Yeah, anyways, fishing, fun. Love it. Anything with nature. I'm like... Oh, that reminds me. I need to... Wow. I went to this fun little festival, and they gave us seeds. Got sunflower seeds, corn seeds... what else did I get? I think I got... like, green pea seeds as well. I need to plant them, but I need to get like those big old buckets filled with soil. Oh, I got sunflower ones too. I love sunflower. Sunflowers... Oh shit. Sunflowers are... Oh, damn it. Anyways, like I was saying, sunflowers are my favorite all-time flower. Like, I just feel I share the vibe with them. What? Nice. It is 6:20. You're probably not open anymore. You're right here. Hi, Willie. Ahoy there! It's nice to see young folk moving in the valley. It's not very common these days. I apologize. Ah, shit. Nah, it's fine. I could probably sell it. Wait, health? There's health? Where's my health? What? Wasn't aware there was health. Oh, I can craft. I was not... Why does he have 2 hearts blacked out? Oh, how do the single ones do? Interesting. Oh, and it tells me like who I talk to. You haven't give any gifts of any kind. Huh. Cool. Okay. Well, I guess I should head back. Evan. Oh, I have a new... Oh, it's a lot of... Oh, I've almost met everyone already? Damn. Well, it is getting a tad bit late for me, so I think this... Oops. I think this is where I'm going to call it for tonight. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys had fun enjoying me running around and forgetting what I was doing like every 5 minutes. But yeah, if you guys had fun, feel free to tune in whenever. I try to stream every Monday and Wednesday. Usually I'll be on like around 9 o'clock ish. Sometimes I'm a little delayed, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys Wednesday, and I think honestly, I think we'll continue Stardew Valley, because I'm really vibing with this. But yeah, have a good night, good morning, if that applies, but take care, everybody. Goodbye.